Guys, here I am at Home Goods, and I thought we'd take a look at some of their home decor. Let's look at their wall decor today. This painting right here is $18. This was reduced. Let me see if the back is the same. So let me see if I can get this down. So this one here, guys, is $10. Okay, then we have this one down here, and this one is $29.99. And then that one back, then we have one back here, and that one is reduced to $12. And that's what this one looks like. And that's what that one looks like, guys. Then we have these big paintings over here. They don't look like they're reduced. This is $49.99, so they're mainly the ocean. Yeah, I think they're all the same. I think they're all the same pictures. So this one here is $39.99, and they're both, the one in the back is the same. That's that one. Then look at this one over here, guys. That one is huge. Let me see if I can get a price on it, because I think it's a 3-piece painting. So I don't want to touch that, guys, because I don't want it to fall on me. So this one, here's a painting of this. Looks like a sailboat. So that's $29.99, and they have 2 of those. So then here you have another picture, canvas, and that one is $59.99, and there's 2 of the same one. Okay, so guys, look at this mirror right here. So this mirror, look at that mirror. That's $49.99. Then the one behind it, the detail is unbelievable, $79.99. Then this one over here says count your blessings. Guys, this is so gorgeous, and it's round. $19.99 for that one. Then this one here, look at that one. So let me see if I can get a price on that. It's very heavy too. $49.99, guys. That's for that one. Then you have this one over here, which I'm absolutely loving that. And that one is $39.99, guys. Then this one, family is everything, $19.99, and look at that. Oh my goodness, I'm absolutely loving that. And you see this? This is $39.99, guys, it reduced $10. And then this one, look at the size of this one. That is absolutely gorgeous. Oh my goodness. I don't see a price on it, guys. Tell me that is not gorgeous. Look at it. I'm going to scan that for you. That's from the bottom all the way to the top. Gorgeous. There's no price on it. I would have to get somebody to get me a price. This one says keep life simple, and that's $29.99. Isn't that a beautiful wall decor piece? And then this one says turn your eyes upon Jesus, look full in his wonderful face, and the things of the earth will grow strangely dim in the light of his glory and grace. Wow, that is so nice. Again, this one here doesn't have a price, guys, but that's so beautiful. Look at this mirror right here, guys. $129.99 for that mirror. And then you have these two frames right here. I don't see a price on that. So look at this one over here, guys. I think I see a tag right here. Let's see. So this tag, and it's not reduced. That one here is $29.99. And then look at this one. So let's see what this one is. This one is $39.99 for that one. Then you have this one. Look at this. Oh my goodness. That is so beautiful, guys. It's made in India. And that one is reduced. Guys, I can't even read the price that well. $16. Guys, I think that's a tray. And then here's a wall clock for $24.99. And here's another one. And there's the other one. So if we go around here, look at the size of that mirror, guys. This whole wall is filled with mirrors. That one right there is reduced to $135. Guys, I don't even think the camera is doing this any justice when it comes to the size, guys. Absolutely gorgeous. Absolutely gorgeous. So if we come on this side, let me show you some more wall decor. So here, this one here, let me scan that whole thing for you there. That's $199.99. Then you have this one here. Let's see how much this one is. And I don't see a price on that one, but this one right here, guys, is $59.99. Then you have this one. Guys, I don't even know how much that is because that's huge and I can't get to the price behind it. So then you have this one here. Let me see if I can get a price for you. No, that one's not even marked. So these haven't been priced yet, guys. Here's another one. Let me show you the one behind it. And then there's the other one. Okay, so then you have this one. Let me see if I see a price. So guys, these haven't been marked, but I'm just showing them to you. I don't know if they just brought them out. I know this one here, look at this one. This one here, guys, that's from the bottom all the way to the top. And that one is $79.99. And it looks like the ones in the back are all the same. So if we come over here, you see that one for $39.99. That's the same. And here's another one. And that one is $39.99 also. So then you have this one over here for $29.99. Guys, and it looks like all of those are the same. So this one here is $29.99. Let's look what's behind it. So this one, you have that one there for $39.99, and I think the one in the back might be the same. I'm not sure, I can't get to that one. So this one here, this is a long one. That's $29.99. Then you have $14.99 for that one, $24.99 for this one. Then you have that one for $14.99. You got two of those. So over here, guys, isn't that beautiful, that one? That's $12.99. So that's a mermaid. So you got two mermaids, and then you have this one here. Okay, and that's $12.99. So you got two of those. And then you have some more there. Yeah, so these two are the same. So down here, this one here is $39.99, and I think there's two. So this is a double pack, and this is what it's supposed to look like when you hang it on the wall. And then you have this, $29.99. And here's another one facing, posing differently, facing a different direction. Then you have this one here, guys. This one is $29.99. And that one is $29.99. That one. Okay, that's what those look like. And then this right here is all stitching. I don't know if you could see that. I hope you could see that through the camera. So that paint, that right there is $29.99. So this canvas right here is $49.99. And this one here, I can't move them too much around, guys, because they're hanging up. And then this one, $49.99. They're very beautiful though. And then these down here, let's see. So I don't know how much that one is, but this one here was reduced to $18. Okay. Then here's some more of those ocean paintings. And I think those are all the same, $49.99. Then you have this one is $39.99, guys, and then you have that one back there for $29.99. And then this one here is $39.99. This one is $14.99. That one right there is $29.99. Then you have that one. Isn't that weird? Well, it's like strange looking. Different looking. Let me just correct myself, guys. That's a little different looking. $24.99. This one is $29.99. And look how pretty. $29.99 for that one. Then you have this. Do not give up. I like that painting. That's $16.99, guys. Oh, look how long this piece is, guys. I'm going to come off the side. Look how long that piece is. So that piece right there is $79.99. And I know that they have some behind it, guys, but I don't dare move it, and they're different. So then you have this one here, which is also beautiful. That's $99.99. Then you have this. This one here is $29.99. Then you have that style right there. I can't take them down, guys. So that one right there is the same price. That's what those look like. So then this one here is $29.99. And I think I gave you the price of that one. This one is $39.99. It's $29.99. Guys, I love this one. It's so good to be home. $19.99 for that one. Then you have $29.99 for that one. Look at this one, Pittsburgh. $19.99. There's something really cute about that one. Look at this. Isn't that a gorgeous painting, guys? That's $24.99. And I think all of these are the same. Two little girls holding hands. I love that. So this one right here, guys, $39.99. So then they have this one for $24.99. And look at this. Love, hope, dream, and believe. I love that painting. $24.99. This one here is $29.99. I think that's gorgeous. So down here you have these, and these are $12.99 for that one, $14.99 for this one. Then this one here is $29.99, and they have two of those. Okay. Then you have the mermaid paintings there, and I think we looked at this one. So let's see. That one says friend. And I like that painting right there. Sometimes simple is just so beautiful. Look at that. I absolutely love that. That's $29.99. And then this one here is $14.99. And then we get into the picture frames. Let me just show you from here. Aren't they gorgeous? So guys, thank you for coming with me to Home Goods to check out some of their wall decor, and I will see you in the next video.